go. Hi, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we are going to do capital and lowercase cursive J's. Now remember to tilt your paper, lefties. Make sure you tilt your paper and make sure you are trying to hold your pencil in such a way where you have control over it with the index finger, pointer finger, and thumb holding the pencil. Now, make sure you're slanting your letters. Make sure you're slanting them. They have to slant just like these lines are. All right, so let's get started. Capital cursive J. You start a little below the red line, which is the very bottom line, and you want to curve up to your right. Go up to your blue line, curve down, back down to your left, lower left, to the red line, below the red line, make a teardrop and come back up. Okay, let's do that again. You want to start below the red line, curve up to the top blue line, curving back down. As you go down, you want to slant to your left, cross down there at the red line, make your teardrop, cross back at the red line, and bring up your tail. Let's try it again. Right below the red line, go to the right, curving up. Curve at the top blue line. Bring it down at a slant to your left. Cross at the red line. Go below the red line. Make your teardrop. Cross again at that same spot on the red line. Then go up with your tail. You see how it's slanting? Make sure you make your line slant so that your letter slants. Slant. I'm slanting my letter, making my teardrop, and crossing. Go ahead and try a few of these. That one didn't come down as far, but that's okay because we're practicing. We know what we did wrong, and we're going to do it and try to do it better next time. Right below the red line, curve up to the blue line, angle down to the red line, cross, bring that down, tail. Still didn't bring it down as much as I would like for it to come down, but it was a little longer this time. Okay. Slant. Bring it down. Okay, so now we are going to try our lowercase j's. Lowercase j's are also going to slant, just like every other letter. Lowercase j starts off like cursive lowercase I. You curve the line up to the middle dotted line from the red line. So you're going to start a little bit above the red line. You're going to curve down to the red line, go up to the dotted blue line. Once you are there, then you want to come back down at a slant to the left. Make your teardrop below the red line. Come back up to the red line and cross your line and make your tail. Don't forget to dot your J. Lowercase j, of course, has a dot on it, just like the block letter J has a dot. Start again, right above the red line, curve down to the red line, go up to the dotted blue line, come back down at a slant, make your teardrop below the red line, cross back over the red line, and make your dot. Not too bad, huh? Keep practicing. Okay, so today we have gone over capital J cursive and lowercase j cursive. When you practice your letters, make those lines that I usually make when I first start. These lines up here. Make those lines so you can remind yourself to slant your letters. And lowercase j, okay, so go on ahead and practice on your own, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.